A very good morning, guys. So today I'm gonna talk about our project entitled Implementing Network Management System in an Enterprise Network. So we were told to pick a business organization, so we have picked on Huawei, and here we are using ENSP to implement our design. So first, let us start with the topology. So here we have two sides where this represents the working system. Alright, so let's go for the cloud. So we have cloud. The cloud here is to enable the open NMS, which will be explained by my teammate later. So next we have a router. So a router is to connect multiple device network and forward packets destined either for its network or the other. And next there are two switches here. So switches is more advanced than a hub because switch will send message to a device that needs on request. Alright, so it works in the second layer of the data or OSI model, data link layer. Alright, so let's talk about the configuration of the PCs first. So this is the basics configuration. So we have configured the IP address such, and the subnet mask and the gateway, which will be the IP address of the switch over here. Alright, so this configuration has been made for the rest of the PCs. And next I would like to talk about the router configuration. So let's go to here. Okay, so here we have entered the Gigabit Ethernet, and we have used the RIP1 protocol to kind of connect all the other networks. So for example, we have used network 200.1.3. so this will be the network for IP address for the switch over here. Alright, the router is being connected to the switch over here. So next is the network IP address of the switch over here, 200.1.4. and next this network is for the cloud over here. So these are the network configuration which being used of the RIP1 protocol. Alright, so thank you.
Hello, my name is Premi Paramanathan, metric ID of 17005331. Currently taking network management for first year third, which is basically May 2019 semester. Now I'm going to talk about our project. The part I'm going to talk about is ping and trace routing in network. So first of all, before I begin with the ping and trace routing, I would like to talk about my project, which is basically contains two departments. Underneath that we have few stakeholders, computers that connecting to each other. So let's move on to ping. Ping is a networking utility program or a tool to test if a particular host is reachable. It is a diagnostic that checks if a computer is connected to a server. The term ping is taken from the echolocation of a submarine sends data packet to a server, and if it receives a data packet back, then we can assure that we have a connection. Now, I would like to demonstrate an example on ping on PC4 with the IP address of 201.12. Let's begin. First of all, we have to go to the command prompt, and then we have to ping. We have to type ping and the IP address of the computer that we want to ping, and press enter. So we can see here it is successfully pinged. Even though we have 5 packet transmitted and 4 packet received, it's just 20% of packet loss. So we can say that this is one of the efficient way of the servers is being connected. Okay, next let's move on to trace route in networking. I believe the earlier example on ping was clear. Now in traceroute. Traceroute is a network diagnostic tool as well but it's used to track the pathway taken by a packet on IP network from source to destination. Traceroute also records the time taken for each hop the packet makes during its route to the destination. For an information, traceroute is also known as tracet. So now I would like to show traceroute diagnostic in this department. Let's begin. To make perform trace routing, we should type tracet and then the IP address of the PC that we want to trace and press enter. And here we can see the record of time taken for each hop the packet makes during its route to the destination. Thank you, and that's all.
Hello guys, my name is Sanjif. My matrix ID is 17002975. So today I'm going to explain to you all about SNMP protocol. This protocol is used by our team in this project. So what is SNMP protocol? SNMP protocol means Simple Network Management Protocol. This protocol is used for collecting and organizing information about managed device on IP networks and for modifying that information to change its behavior. Devices that typically support SNMP include routers like AR4 as stated here, cable modems, switches, servers, workstations, printers and more. SNMP is actually widely used in network management for network monitoring. So let's see how can we configure SNMP in a router. So these are our codes. Okay, so I actually created for the first SNMP agent here, which is my name engine ID. So for you all to understand better, here's the second example. So I enter system view, then I view the system agent. So the next coding is SNMP agent sysinfo contact Tanesh, which is also my teammate. So the next step is SNMP agent system info and key in your location. So currently we are in Perak, so I just put Perak. So the next thing, you display the system info, and as you see, the person's contact and their name is been running the system. So next step is setting them into a group. So we use version 3. So and the name of the group is admin2. So then we proceed. So we check what is admin2's configurations and stuff. So then we set the privacy. So it's just right view for admin2. So after keying this SNMP agent USM user v3 Tanesh admin, we proceed to check whether it's keying or not, whether the SNMP agent is running or not. So you just key in display SNMP agent USM user, and lastly you can see now USM user Tanesh and his engine ID and his group name and his authentication mode and his storage type and his user status, and total number is 2 because I've created one for myself previously. So this is all about SNMP. So when you configure SNMP in a router, it will be easy for you to manage the system. So you can use open network management system further on. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Triambakan Amirthalingam. My matrix ID is 17003833. Okay guys, today I'm going to talk about NMS, Network Management System. Do you guys know what is NMS? Okay, wait, let me explain what is NMS. Okay, NMS, Network Management System, is an application or set of applications that lets network administrators manage a network's independent components inside a bigger network management framework. NMS may be used to monitor both software and hardware components in a network. It usually records data from a network's remote point to carry out central reporting to a system administrators. Okay, guys, a network management system is useful in first, network device discovery, network device monitoring, network performance analysis, network device management, last but not least, intelligent notifications or customizable alerts. Okay, quality network management system includes the following features. That means advantages of NMS. Okay, the first advantage of the NMS, like the main advantage, that is saves money. Okay, why? Only one system admin is required at a single location to monitor and manage the entire network, which cuts hiring expenditures. Next, it saves time. Each IT provider gets direct access to any data when required. All team members can simply enter or retrieve data using their own workstations. At the same time, the access may be controlled by the network manager. The third advantage is increased productivity. Helps manage every aspect of the office network, which includes software, hardware, and other peripherals. The NMS identifies an issue as soon as it occurs it to ensure that there is no productivity slowdown or data loss. Guys, currently OpenNMS has three main functional areas. That is service monitoring, where a number of monitor modules can determine if network-based services such as ICMP, HTTP, DNS, and etc. are available. Data collection by using SNMP and JMX. So in this situation, we are using SNMP. Okay. The third main function is event management and notifications, which includes alarm reduction and a robust notification system with escalations and duty schedules. OpenNMS is known for its scalability. Although it can be easily used to manage a small SMB network, it is scalable enough to be used in a place of large enterprise management products such as HP OpenView, IBM Tivoli, or IBM Micromuse. Okay guys, let's move on. Hope you guys understand what is hope you guys understand what is NMS and OpenNMS. Okay, as you guys can see, my friend already told about this network management system of our group. So let's move on to my part, which is monitoring this whole management system. Okay guys, let's see. Here we have status overview. So these are our result that we monitored. Okay, here we have two alarms and outages. Okay, the green color here is normal, the yellow color here is minor, and the red color there is major. So we have 13 normal, 21 minor, and 2 major. So we are lucky that we don't have more major than others. Okay, for outages, we are lucky that we don't have any major problems. We only have normal and minor. The normal is good, 15, and minor is 21. Okay, as you guys can see, here we have more greens than red. That means our network system is quite good. Here in the categories we have network interfaces, web servers, email, and etc. And total here we have overall service availability. So outages we have 21 out of 96, and availability is 94%. So it means our network management system, this network system, is usable. Okay, let's move on to the other page. Here we have a lot of things. As you guys can see, database sessions, we have blue, green, and red. Blue means total, green means active, red means idle. As you guys can see here, it's all moving. For the transactions per second, we have blue for transactions, green for commits, and red for rollbacks. We don't have any transaction problems and rollback, only have commit. You guys can see it's the green color thing is keep on moving. Tuples in, we have no data, that means it's good. Tuples out, you guys can see got blue and green, blue for fetched and green for return. You guys can see it's moving on, it's moving, so there is more green than blue. So block IO, same, blue and green. Blue means reads, green means hits. So as you guys can see, here we have server activity. We all, as you guys can see, we did it by ourselves. So that you guys can see the date, 2019 July 24th. It's all done by us. Logs, prepared transactions, we have nothing. Here properties, SQL, so we need to do something. Statistics, this is our main result. Here dependency, nothing. Dependent, nothing. Okay guys, so overall the result for our monetization is quite good. So that's all from me. Thank you very much. Hope you guys understand about the monitoring system. Thank you.